Most people think making money requires standing in a room trading hours for a paycheck. They wake up at 7, sit in traffic, and trade their energy for a fixed number. But true financial quietness isn't about working harder, it's about building systems that don't need your presence to function. While most chase high-stress side hustles, a small group of people quietly set up basic, essential assets that collect small amounts of cash around the clock. No employees to manage, no customer service calls at midnight, just simple, practical microsystems running quietly in the background. Today, we're looking at 7 low-maintenance businesses that operate 24/7 on complete autopilot. Let's look at the basic math behind a single modern vending unit. Imagine you buy a used, reliable machine for $1,500. You place it in a quiet break room or a local laundromat. Every item you sell costs you roughly 50 cents, and you sell it for $1.50. That leaves you with a $1 net profit per item. If that machine sells just 10 items a day, it generates $10 in clean profit. That doesn't sound like much. But over 30 days, that single box quietly collects $300. In 5 months, the machine has completely paid for itself. From month 6 onward, every single dollar is pure hands-off cash flow. You spend 30 minutes every 2 weeks restocking the inventory. The machine does the rest of the work 24 hours a day without asking for a salary. Physical assets require space, but digital assets live everywhere at once. Think of a digital portfolio like owning small pieces of virtual land. These aren't complex tech setups or high-risk trading platforms. They are simple, informative digital guides, spreadsheet tools, or specialized stock photography assets uploaded to established online marketplaces. When someone searches for a solution at 2 in the morning, your digital asset is sitting there, ready to answer the call. The transaction happens in milliseconds. The platform processes the buyer's payment, sends them the digital file instantly, and deposits the money directly into your account. You never package a box, you never drop anything at the post office. You build or acquire the asset once, and it sits online perpetually, waiting for the next customer. It is the purest form of location-independent, low-maintenance cash flow available today. Let's do some simple napkin math on basic utility equipment, like a commercial self-serve tire inflation or vacuum station. A standard commercial unit might cost $2,000 installed outside a local repair shop or car wash. It costs roughly $1 per cycle for the customer to use. Electricity and basic wear cost you about 10 cents per run. That leaves you with 90 cents profit every time someone inserts a bill or taps their card. If only 15 drivers use that single machine throughout an entire day, you earn $13.50 daily. Over a full month, that adds up to roughly $405 in hands-off income. Your overhead is practically zero because you aren't paying for heat, air conditioning, or staff. In just 5 months, your initial $2,000 equipment investment is completely covered. You visit once a month for 15 minutes to collect the cash or check the digital payout balance. Traditional retail is heavy because it forces you to hold stock. You buy hundreds of items up front, fill up your closet, and pray they sell. Print on demand flips that model completely. You create or buy simple vector graphics, upload them onto items like mugs or shirts on an online storefront, and connect it to an automated fulfillment supplier. When a buyer places an order, the system automatically routes the order to the printer. The supplier prints the item, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer's doorstep under your brand name. You never touch the physical inventory, and you never pay for a product until the customer has already paid you first. The system runs entirely behind the scenes, turning digital ideas into physical products and profit with zero daily operational drag. Let's break down the return on simple, unused square footage. Imagine you rent or own a basic secure lockbox or micro storage shed for $50 a month in operational costs. Instead of storing personal clutter, you convert it into a specialized micro-storage space for local equipment, like kayaks, trailers, or event gear. You charge a flat rate of $15 per day for users to access the unit using a simple digital keypad. If that unit is rented for just 10 days out of the entire month, it generates $150. Subtract your $50 operational cost, and you are left with $100 in clean net profit. Now, scale that up to 5 simple micro units. Your gross revenue hits $750 a month, leaving you with $500 in predictable, recurring cash flow. You never sit on site to manage rentals. The automated lock handles access, and the software collects payments automatically. Creating digital templates is one of the quietest ways to build long-term leverage. Businesses and freelancers spend hours every week designing pitch decks, financial trackers, or social media graphics from scratch. By designing a clean, reusable template once, you solve a recurring problem for thousands of professionals. You upload the template to a digital marketplace, add a clear preview, and let the platform handle the traffic. When someone purchases your template, the delivery is instant and fully automated. There are no shipping delays, no supply chain breakdowns, and no customer support headaches over damaged goods. You invest the time upfront to build a polished product, and it remains on the digital shelf indefinitely. It generates steady royalty checks while you focus on life, sleeping through the sales transactions made in different time zones around the globe. Let's run some simple unit of one napkin math on an automated ice and water vending station. A standard bag of ice costs about 25 cents in municipal water and electricity to freeze and dispense on site. You sell that same bag to a customer for $3. That gives you an immediate profit margin of $2.75 per bag. If a single kiosk at a busy gas station or marina sells just 20 bags of ice a day, you bring in $55 in net profit daily. Multiply that over a month, and that single unmanned box generates over $1,650 in continuous monthly cash flow. Subtract $250 for site rent paid to the property owner, and you keep $1,400 in net profit. The machine makes its own product on demand, processes cashless payments, and alerts your phone only when it needs routine filter maintenance. You can watch the rest of this ongoing series right now over on our channel. Click the next video on your screen to keep exploring.